In this video, we will cover 4 principles and 2 assumptions. I know that these will be boring to you, but I only ask from you to be patient. We will fight through the boredom of this video together. As we progress through the course, you will see why we need them and why they are so important. The first principle is the historical cost principle. This means that we record everything at cost. For example, if we buy a building for $100,000, we record it at $100,000 in our books. It is simple, isn't it? Even though the building is worth much more after 20 years, it will still be recorded at $100,000 in our books. The second principle is the revenue recognition principle. We recognize revenue whenever we provide a service or sell a product. If we sell a product, we recognize sales revenue. If we provide a service, we recognize service revenue. Easy, I know. The third principle is the matching principle. Basically, we need to match the expenses that resulted in earning the revenues in the same time period. I know it is a little bit confusing, but I am just teasing you now with this. Be patient and wait for the adjusting entries to gain a full understanding of this concept. The fourth principle is the full disclosure principle. Everything that happens in your business must be disclosed. Everyone needs to believe in your financial statements. If you hide information, then no one will believe you, and nobody will do business with you. As a side note, I also want to mention 2 assumptions. First one is the going concern assumption. Everyone assumes that your business will continue its operations and will not go out of business. The second one is the business entity assumption. We assume that the business and the owner are completely different entities. Whatever we do in this course, we will do it from the perspective of the business, not the owner. I know that some of these principles and assumptions might be confusing and you have no idea why they are here. But trust the process and go through the course. By the time you finish the course, you will know each principle and assumption, why they exist, as well as their importance.